Understanding and meeting the needs of others. The ability to understand and meet the needs of others is an important part of having healthy relationships at work and in our personal lives. When we can see things from another person's perspective and provide what they require, it fosters trust, goodwill, and cooperation. Here are some key ways to improve at understanding and meeting the needs of others. Listen attentively. Give the other person your full, undivided attention when they speak. Avoid distractions and multitasking. Ask open-ended questions to clarify and make sure you understand what they truly need. Be observant. Take note of subtle cues in behavior and body language that give insights into the other person's emotional and practical needs. Pay attention to changes in their routines and habits. Be empathetic. Try to see things from their perspective. Put yourself in their shoes to understand how they think and feel, without judging them. This allows you to meet their needs more appropriately. Ask for clarity. If you're unsure what someone needs, do not make assumptions. Be direct and ask them to explain clearly what would be most helpful for them. Check that you understand correctly. Prioritize needs. Some needs are more urgent or important than others. Work with the other person to establish what should take precedence if you cannot fulfill all their requests. Focus your efforts where they will have the most impact. Provide options. Instead of trying to solve another person's problem for them, present multiple possible solutions they could choose from. This empowers them and increases the likelihood of meeting their true needs. Get and give feedback. Ask for feedback to confirm if you have fulfilled their needs satisfactorily. Share your honest thoughts respectfully so they can adjust to meet your needs as well. This facilitates a healthy give and take. Follow through. Do what you say you will do. Fulfill your commitments, responsibilities, and promises to the other person. Failure to follow through negatively impacts trust and the relationship. Remember that others' needs may change over time, so communication must remain ongoing. Showing genuine care, empathy, and patience can help inspire trustworthiness and a willingness to be open about what they truly require from you. With practice, understanding and meeting the needs of others can become second nature, enriching your relationships and life in the process. Understanding and meeting the needs of others is a crucial part of building strong and healthy relationships, both in our personal and professional lives. Whether it's a family member, friend, colleague, or customer, meeting the needs of others can help us create a sense of connection and foster trust and respect. In this article, we'll explore some practical tips on how to understand and meet the needs of others. Practice active listening. One of the most important aspects of understanding the needs of others is active listening. This means giving your full attention when someone is speaking and taking the time to truly hear their message. Ask clarifying questions and repeat back what you've heard to ensure that you understand their needs. Empathize with others. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It's an essential component of meeting the needs of others. Try to put yourself in their shoes and imagine how they're feeling. Validate their emotions and let them know that you understand and support them.